Okay. Then the next question number 2 is simplification. First one is 8 raised to 4 by 3 plus 25 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 upon 27 raised to minus 2 by 3. Right? Now see, 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 raised to 3. This 4 by 3 as it is, plus 25 can be written as 5 into 5, that means 5 square, minus, since the power is negative, to make it positive we can take a reciprocal of 1 upon 27. So actually reciprocal of 1 upon 27 will be 27 upon 1, but this 27 is also can be written as 3 raised to 3. Understood what we have done? We made the power positive and we have taken the reciprocal of 27, but 27 can be mentioned as 3 raised to 3. Now what will happen here? 3 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, also this 3 get cancelled. Okay. So 2 raised to 4 plus 5 raised to 3 minus 3 raised to 2. So 2 raised to 4 is 16, 5 raised to 3 is 125, 3 raised to 2 is 9. When we calculate this, first we make an addition of these two and then subtract 9, we are getting 132 as a final answer. Okay. Next, second part of the same question. See, 64 can be written as 2 raised to 6, right? Minus 2 and minus 3 remains same, this division sign. Also this minus 8 can be written as minus 2 raised to 3, this 2, this 3 and again this 2. So according to the powers law, we should make a multiplication of all the powers. So therefore multiplication of 6 minus 2 and minus 3, this is the multiplication of their powers. Similarly, minus 2 multiplication of 2 and 3 gives us 6. This 3, 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. Got it? So it becomes 2 raised to 36. Multiplication of the power becomes 36 positive, minus into minus positive 36 divided by 36. Now tell me one thing, if the power is an even number, so what should be the final answer of this minus sign? It will become positive because of the even number power. So therefore we remove this negative sign. So 36, 2 raised to 36 divided by 2 raised to 36. So by using the quotient law, 36 minus 36, it becomes 2 raised to 0. And we know that anything raised to 0, the value is 1. Got it? Next is the third question. Okay. So 2 raised to minus 3 minus 2 raised to minus 4 in the first bracket, and in the second bracket 2 raised to minus 3 plus 2 raised to minus 4, bracket complete. If we see this first term, these two terms are same, these two terms are same, and also these two are same, right? So it is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So the identity says that a minus b, a plus b equals to a square minus b square, whereas a is considered as a first term. So 2 raised to minus 3 square minus 2 raised to minus 4 square. So 2 3s are minus 3 into 2 is minus 6, 2 raised to minus 6, minus minus 4 into 2 is minus 8, 2 raised to minus 8. Okay. Since the powers are negative, we should take a reciprocal to make it positive. So it becomes 1 upon 26 minus 1 upon 2 raised to 6 minus 1 upon 2 raised to 8. And we know that 2 raised to 6 is 64 and 2 raised to 8 is 256. So to make a subtraction of these two, we must take the LCM of 64 and 256. So LCM of 64 and 256 is 256. So to convert it into 256, we should multiply it by 4 to numerator and to denominator. So it becomes 4 minus 1 upon 256. 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. 3 upon 256 will be the final answer. Okay. Next is question number 3. Evaluate. In that, 8 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 0. We know that anything raised to 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 3. Similarly, 4x raised to 0. So anything raised to 0 is 1. Now 7x raised to 0 and everything is raised to 2. As we know that x raised to 0 is 1. So instead of x raised to 0, we have taken 1. Between these two numbers there is no any sign, so multiplication is there. And everything raised to 2. So it becomes 7 ones are 7, 7 raised to 2. 7 raised to 2 means 7 sevens are 49. Got it? Next is the 8th one. 9 raised to 0 plus 9 raised to minus 1 minus 9 raised to minus 2 plus 9 raised to 1 by 2 minus 9 raised to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So in this question, first make the negative powers as the positive powers. And we also know that anything raised to 0 is 1. Therefore 9 raised to 0 becomes 1. To make it positive, what we have done? 1 upon 9. Minus sign. Again to make it positive, 1 upon 9 square. So this 9 can be written as 3 square and 1 by 2 as it is. So 2 get cancelled. Minus 9 raised to minus 1 by 2. So again to make it positive, we have taken the reciprocal of 9. 1 upon 9 raised to 1 by 2. So again this 9 can be written as 3 square. Okay, squares 2 get cancelled. 1 by 3 is the answer for this. So it is 3. 1 upon 9 square. 9 nines are 81. 1 upon 9 plus 1. Okay. Now this 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is how much? 4. So we have written it as 4. Remaining all numbers remain same. Now to make an addition of all this or subtraction of all this, we must have their denominators equal. But since the denominators are different, we have taken the LCM of 9, 81 and 3. So LCM is 81. Correct? So if the LCM is 81, then the first number, both numerator and denominator, is multiplied by 81. Second number, both numerator and denominators are multiplied by 9. It is already 81, so we multiplied it by 1. And 3 multiplied by 27 gives us 81. Therefore, both numbers, numerator and denominators, are multiplied by 27. Understood? So when we make a multiplication of this, 4 into 81 gives us 324 upon 81. 1 into 9 is 9 upon 81. 1 upon 27 upon 81. So 324 plus 9 minus 1 minus 27 upon 81. So when we calculate our numerator, we are getting 305 upon 81. Or we can also convert it into mixed fraction like 3 integer 62 upon 81. Got it? Next is our fourth question. Simplify. A raised to 5 b raised to 2 upon a square b raised to minus 3, which is equals to, see, bases are equal but they are in division, so what we will do? Subtraction of their powers. Again, bases are equal, They are in division, so subtraction of their powers. 2 minus of minus 3. So 5 minus 2, 3. Minus minus plus 3. So 3 plus 2 becomes 5. And the final answer a cube b raised to 5. Okay. 125 x raised to minus 3 upon everything is raised to 1 by 3. Since the power is negative, we can also write it in the denominator 125 upon x cube raised to 1 by 3. We know that 125 means 5 raised to 3 and this x raised to 3 as it is. Whole power is 1 by 3. So this 1 by 3, we can take 3 as a common power. Here is 3 and also here is 3. So take it common. 3 and 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. 5 upon x is the answer. Or we can also write 5x raised to minus 1. Okay. Next is our 8th question. 27 x raised to minus 3 y raised to 6 raised to 2 by 3. Whole bracket is raised to 2 by 3. Okay. Now, between this, first we make a negative powers as a positive power by taking the reciprocal of x, and a whole thing is 2 by 3. Between each number there is the multiplication sign. 27 can be written as 3 square and this 2 by 3. Okay, that means this 2 by 3 is common for all these 3. 3 get cancelled, 3 square. Again this 3 is there. 2 by 3 is in the denominator, 3 get cancelled, 1 upon x square multiplied by this number is also multiplied by 2 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 2 into 2 gives us y raised to 4. So it becomes 9 y raised to 4 upon x square. So this x square, which is in the denominator, can be written as x raised to minus 2 if we want to write it as a numerator. Okay. So this will be the final answer, or we can also end it here also. Okay.